1975 Corvette Convertible. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 75 Corvette Convertible. It's the last year of the convertible. Finished in red with silver interior. L82, 2 tops, power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, power windows, tilt column, and 39,000 original miles. It's going to be a short video. This one's actually already been spoken for, but I just thought the car, being as unique as it was, deserved a quick little video to put on the channel. Red with silver interior, hard top, soft top. The silver interior really just looks great. This is the second. I had a 64 coupe red with silver interior. No, they did not offer that in 64. L82, numbers matching. Rare ordered California car with the emissions control. Well, power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes. It's still got the emissions in place with a smog pump. Rather correct in here. Tidy under hood. The paint is beautiful. Actually, the gentleman was just out here this morning, and I'm like, you mind if I make a video for the YouTube channel still? And he's like, yeah, no problem. Rally wheels, stainless dual exhaust. I have a ton of paperwork for the car. Actually, let me go to the Corvette book right now. Actually, I'll show you the back of the car real quick. Just show you how nice it is. Let me go take a seat. Again, tilt column, 38,982. I didn't bring all the paperwork because some of it seemed to have gotten wet. I came with a second car, but anyway, what was dry was some information I got from somebody. They produced 4,629 convertibles in 79, but only produced 200 L82 convertibles. L82 was 205 horse versus the L48, which was 165. Special order in 75 in Los Angeles, California. That plate on the front is super cool. I would keep that on. I can't speak, with how accurate this is, but it says this is the only L82 produced with red and silver leather interior, by the way. There are approximately 32 Stingrays still around, but with high mileage. I guess he's talking L82s. I don't know how accurate that is. Low ownership car. Somebody said it was appraised for $90,000. I doubt that. But real nice in here. Dash is mint. Oh, this looks great. I did a quick little detail. It wasn't a total go through like I normally do. You've got this. You've got some speakers in the back. It's got like a $2,000 stereo system in there. I think having the hardtop itself is rather rare. I do not see them a lot with the 75s. And if you can really, when I get close on this paint, really, really nice. But I will actually just let you guys hear it run. Should just fire up. I guess that's it for my quick little video, and we'll see you guys on the next one.